Hey everyone, so today is a review video. Come join me, let's go to my desk and review this application together. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing fantastic as well. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to grow your professional network in 2021. I know in the past I've talked a lot about, finding jobs. I've talked a lot about attracting recruiters and all of these things. And one of the key things that I always keep talking about when I'm saying these things is that it's important to have, some kind of network. And in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing an application that helps you do exactly that. This is a social media platform for professionals, and the name of this application is Fishbowl. I don't mean this fishbowl. So Fishbowl basically is a social network for professional employees, like I said, allowing people to connect with their co-workers and with others in the industry. There are millions of professionals that are using Fishbowl in tech, finance, management, consulting, accounting, marketing, law, healthcare, and education. Fishbowl encourages employees to have productive and engaging conversations about their experiences in their industry. It is often described as, Glassdoor meets LinkedIn, because this sort of fuses the capabilities of both in some way together into one simple application, and it allows students to network with employees at top companies who can then at some point later move their careers forward, which I think is pretty cool. One of the most amazing things that stands out to me about Fishbowl is the fact that, like I said, it provides employees with a platform where they can have, honest and productive conversations. They can give advice, receive advice, share their thoughts and experiences, and in general find support from co-workers or others in the industry. And you can all do this semi-anonymously. So maybe, for example, you work in Facebook and you get a new offer from Google, but you don't want to openly come out you don't want to openly come out in Fishbowl and be like, oh hey, I'm a Facebook employee at the moment and I got an offer from Google and I want to negotiate better, because you don't really want your Facebook manager to see that just yet or whatever, and you need advice because you don't really have many people around you to talk to. Fishbowl is a place you can go and have these conversations. And there are people that are there because they genuinely want to be there to help other people. One other thing that doesn't really get talked about enough is salary negotiations for whatever reason. And if you go on Fishbowl, you can get insights about compensation, and this can help you negotiate and get the right salary for your kind of work. This can help you negotiate and get your best job offer, because now you're getting advice from people and from actual professionals, and not just people on actual social media opening their mouths to say things because they have mouths and they can open it, or because they have phones and they can type. This advice that you're going to get is going to be legitimate advice that would allow you make more informed decisions, when you're doing things like this. So another reason why I appreciate the fact that something like this exists, especially for people that are just going into their fields, young people, entry level for the most part, students trying to get in. I remember when I was getting my very first job, my very first role, I got the offer and I just accepted and I just accepted it, no questions asked, no pushback, no negotiations, nothing. If I'd known better, I would have done something about that, right? But in that time, I didn't know better, and I just saw the offer and I just collected it and we moved. On Fishbowl, there's also a feature called Fishbowl Live, where users can join in on live audio only conversations about multiple topics, like how to prioritize your finances, the changing landscape of job hunting, the future of electric cars, and multiple different topics. Professionals and students can use this feature to find other users who share similar interests and build their personal and professional network. I've said that this is very important. Like, I always keep talking about building your network. I am on Fishbowl. You can find me there. Reach out to me and let's have a conversation. Let's talk about other job related topics that you like to talk about, pressing topics. You can also sign up using the link in the description, or if you want to sign up on your mobile phone, you can either download from the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. Like I said, once again, I know how important building your career is, and in building your career, it's important to build your professional network. I would advise you to get on here and meet like-minded people that you can add to your professional network, and also have conversations. I think one of the key things for me that I like about the existence of this app in general is that you can have conversations about different things. You can have conversations about salary negotiation. It's like, it's a thing. Like, just have the conversation. You can have conversation about your mental health awareness and why it's important to not be burned out at the office. You can have conversations about different things, different topics that exist, things that are like real life stuff, different things that people go through in the workplace. See other people's experience and sort of learn from them. It's very open to anybody, and I would really advise you, if you have the time, to go check it out. Thank you once again for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to me, please make sure that you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. And I'll also see you in Fishbowl. Bye!